USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. Yes, my dear fellow mankind. I hope we are all on the same page, and I am again repeating this particular civil justice sign off is very, very crucial, very, very important for entire human kingdom to be saved and bailed out by I am that way I am. Okay, only I can save entire human kingdom. Nobody can. Okay, because the crime is so skyrocketing. And yes, whether people like it or not, President Joe Biden will resign any second. Okay. For I, Vedapriya Pro se, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King he wrote as of February 2021. Any salary, as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective, immediate, using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite type, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So, scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide. Republica is Republica Christian Evangelist Reverend or Church Pastor of USA, late Billy Graham. Never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate. Why Vedapriya Prose, a true rebel lawyer, two civil doctor, and two civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Christian evangelist, reverend, or church pastor of USA late Billy Graham to be fatal negligence. Either USA government should say knows who is Republica Christian evangelist, reverend, or Christian pastor of USA late Billy Graham, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica Christian evangelist, reverend, or church pastor of USA late Billy Graham. So what is the crime? Christian evangelist, reverend, or church pastor of USA late Billy Graham, who is a Republica, and created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime. It comes under the classification of domestic violence and the subclassification of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, then causation and injury to the brain nerves, and battery and types, and assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. So, as of February 2021, I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign-off, and Republica Christian evangelist, reverend, or church pastor of USA late Billy Graham, with fatal negligence, failed to educate USA, cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018, poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, abruptly on October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, and also enforced finance disability to I. So it is crime for Republica Christian evangelist, reverend, or church pastor of USA, late Billy Graham, when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Prose, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt, $10,210.38, and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And Christian evangelist, reverend, or church pastor of USA, late Billy Graham, should sign off tax-free $1,000 billion and direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, Republican government can provide the excellent finance transfer in a safe and secured processing. Right? And for I displayed the absolute monarch scandal to USA government. It can help when USA government, according to the Holy Bible Civil Justice, when USA renames Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name as Vedapriya, is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now, is civil justice served. And Pope Francis should resign now, abruptly, civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge of all nations now, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Supreme Civil Family Law Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become the Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Family, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to get the dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, it is a very, very important, crucial civil justice is ongoing. Just be patient. Okay, I have to get all the rightful national benefits from USA government only, and I have to get all the pending salary that which should be paid by only USA government only, and I want to get the job offer signed off, and USA must sign off the job offer which I asked only, and then I have to start the job, and I have to start the design solutions, and I have to guide the software architecture design solutions. Then I also have to provide the finance aid compensation for the worldwide human kingdom, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, everything. So it's all in a process. So that is why I have to provide each and every single civil justice and display the crime on a detailed level to the USA government. So I hope you are all on the same page on that regard. So talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye for now.